Following these deadly shootings, some Utahns are demanding a change, calling on Utah's senators to speak out and support gun reform. ABC4's Brittany Johnson was at a news conference today and joins us live from the Utah State Capitol. Brittany?
Well, Rick, tonight Utah groups are applauding Senator Mitt Romney for his commitment to being a constructive voice for gun reform, but they say that is not enough. They want Senator Mitt Romney along with Senator Mike Lee to lend their support to 3 bills at the federal level. Following deadly mass shootings over the weekend, some Utahns are saying they've seen enough.
This is a public health crisis that demands urgent action.
A number of groups are demanding gun reform action from Utah Senators Mitt Romney and Mike Lee. Bills they're calling on the senators to support include H.R. 8, which would close current loopholes that exist by requiring background checks for private gun sales and funding to study gun violence. The House of Representatives passed H.R. 8 in February. The House approved funding in June. The groups also want Romney and Lee to support a reinstatement on the federal ban on assault weapons that lapsed in 2004.
We must enact solutions to end this assault on our lives. We have marched, we have protested, we have voted for representatives to advocate for us.
We need lawmakers who are not afraid to stand up to the gun lobby.
Nancy Halden wants local legislation passed to address gun suicides and domestic violence homicides in Utah.
More and more people are dying in Utah every year.
She says if House Bill 209 passed, those numbers would go down. The bill would enable a family member or law enforcement to ask a court to temporarily restrain a person from possessing any firearms or ammunition if the person has made recent threats or acted violently, violated a protective order, and has attempted or threatened self-harm, among other things.
I'm not anti-gun, but we have to do more to keep guns out of dangerous hands and to keep Americans safe.
Representative Handy's bill never made it out of the House Rules Committee. Reporting live tonight from the Utah State Capitol, I'm Brittany Johnson, ABC4 News.